In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to QuickBooks Online. This integration is a great way to streamline your financial transactions and ensure your books are always up to date with accurate data. Whether you're running a small business or managing multiple accounts, this will make the process of syncing your payments much easier. Let's get started. First, you'll need to have a QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to the QuickBooks website and create an account. Once you have your account ready, sign in to QuickBooks Online. For those who already have an account, you can simply sign in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll need to enter your account details and click Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your password, so go ahead and do that. Then click Continue again. Once you're logged in, choose the company file you intend to integrate with Stripe. With all that done, navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. From the menu, click on My Integrations. This is where you'll find the option for setting up new integrations that can enhance your accounting experience. To find Stripe, click on Find Integrations in the App Center. In the search bar, type Stripe and look for the Stripe connector by Intuit. Once you find it, click on it to learn more about what this integration can offer. When you're ready, click on Get Integration Now. This will initiate the setup process for connecting Stripe and QuickBooks. Following this, you'll see an option to connect your accounts. This step is crucial as it links your Stripe account with QuickBooks, allowing data to flow seamlessly between the two platforms. When prompted, click Continue to proceed with the setup. If you don't already have a Stripe account, this is a good time to sign up for one. Click on Sign Up to create your Stripe account, or simply log in if you already have one. By completing these steps, you'll have successfully integrated Stripe with QuickBooks Online. This integration will not only save you time by automating the import of Stripe transactions into QuickBooks, but also help you maintain more accurate financial records. You can now focus more on growing your business rather than spending hours on manual data entry. And that's it, you're all set. We hope this guide made the process clear and straightforward. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.